Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about remembering the source of your information or taking into account the source of your information. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. Think about where you get your information from. I had a call with a client this morning, and he wanted to talk about what was going on with his plan. So I told him what was going on. I told him what we were doing. He reminded me about what his goals were. I said, yeah, everything that you're doing will meet the goals. He told me about some other concerns that he had. I told him to do a couple of very specific things to sort of alleviate those concerns. And then he kept asking me over and over again. He kept telling me that, he talked to his financial advisor that had told him this, and he talked to somebody else, his buddy, that had told him this, and so he wasn't sure about this or that or this or that. And it just reminded me that, the source of your information is extremely important, whether it be estate planning or, plumbing or, finance, whatever, parenting, whatever it is. Make sure that you are paying attention to the source of your information and give the requisite amount of credence to that information based on the source of where it's coming from. And no offense to financial planners, I have a bunch of them that I know that are really great at what they do. They're not estate planning attorneys. And so while they might have a sort of a general idea about the way that things work, they often sort of mix their metaphors. Not literally, but they sort of sometimes don't get things exactly right. And that's the reason why, for example, I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give income tax advice because I'm not a CPA. And I do give estate planning advice and I do give probate advice because that's what we do here and we're really good at it. So make sure that when you are making choices and taking action, in particular, that you are vetting the source of your information before you take that action. It can have some very important and unknown consequences until you face those consequences and you have to clean up the mess. So make sure no matter what it is that you're doing, like I said, whether it's finance, whether it's parenting, whether it's business, whether it's estate planning, whether it's whatever, make sure that you are talking to someone that actually knows what they are doing. Make sure that they have experience in that thing. Make sure that they probably have been practicing that thing or doing that thing. And look at the results of the things that they've been doing. For example, when it comes to parenting, would you take parenting advice from someone that had no kids or you thought was a terrible parent? Probably not. So make sure that you're making those same decisions and those same assessments with all of the information that you're receiving. By the way, not to take this one level higher, but I would probably do that throughout your whole life. So if there are things that you are relying on, sources of information that lack credibility, I would probably reconsider the amount of weight that you give that information, okay? So when it comes to estate planning and probate, please talk to an attorney. When it comes to any legal matters, please talk to an attorney that knows what they're doing in that matter. When it comes to finance, talk to a financial advisor. When it comes to taxes, talk to a CPA. And you are going to get all of the information that you need to make good choices, to take actions that are going to give you what you want, and to just be happy, be amazing. So that is it for today. Shorty but a goodie. As always, if you like this video or this podcast, hit the like button. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. I will answer it. If you are someplace that you can subscribe and you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any episodes. And if you have any questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that's it, everybody. I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.